Good morning, ladies. Check, you got plenty of water. Time to open the boxes. Definitely plenty of feed. I need to raise that up a little bit. Oh, you're already going after the watermelon. Watermelon. Good job. What y'all doing, guys? Let's get the tortoise's tail bag out of here. And the deer are already lining up for their service. Hey, babies. You ready for breakfast? You ready for breakfast? Come on. Everybody's ready to eat. Tortoise has been fed. He got watermelon, kale, cactus pads. You can see those fish swimming around over there. What we got over here? Are we ready for breakfast too? Oh, come on. Come on. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. There's some in here. Hey, babies. Oh, I cleared all this out yesterday. Got that stump gone. That palmetto. All those trees. Hey, babies. We're switching y'all over into here. Y'all ready for some food, too? All right. We'll get you.